If you are looking for an AI tool to create or edit images, you have probably come across GLM Image and FireRed Image Edit. Both tools are artificial intelligence to generate impressive visuals, but they focus on slightly different use cases. In this video, I'll compare GLM Image and FireRed Image Edit based on features, image quality, editing capabilities, ease of use, and who each tool is best for. And for now, let's get started. What is GLM Image? GLM Image is an AI image generation model developed to create images from text prompts. It focuses on productivity, high quality visuals, realistic details, and accurate prompt understanding. You simply describe what you want, and the AI generates an image based on your instructions. It's useful for content creators, marketers, designers, and anyone who needs original visuals quickly. Key features of GLM Image: text to image generation, high resolution image output, strong prompt understanding, multiple artistic styles, fast image creation, good realism and detail. Pros: easy to use, produces visually appealing images, good at following detailed prompts, suitable for creative projects. And when talking about the cons, primarily focused on image generation, editing features may be limited depending on the platform using the model. Results can vary with complex prompts. What is FireRed Image Edit? FireRed Image Edit designed more for AI-powered image editing rather than pure AI image generation. Instead of creating images from scratch, it specializes in modifying existing images using text instructions. Users can remove objects, replace backgrounds, change styles, enhance image quality, and perform other editing tasks without needing advanced design tools or skills. Key features of Red Image Edit: AI image editing, object removal and replacement, background editing, style transformations, image enhancement, text guided editing. Pros: excellent for editing existing images, simple workflow, saves time compared to manual editing, useful for social media and marketing content. Cons: not primarily built for creating images from scratch, results depend heavily on source image quality, some edits may require multiple attempts. GLM versus FireRed Image Edit. Number one, image generation. GLM Image clearly has the advantage here. It was designed specifically for generating new images from text prompts and generally produces better results when creating completely original artwork or visuals. FireRed can generate some content during editing workflows, but image generation is not its main strength. Winner: GLM Image. Image editing. When it comes to editing existing images, FireRed Image Edit takes the lead. Its tools are built specifically for modifying photos and graphics through simple text instructions, making tasks like object removal and background replacement much easier. Winner: FireRed Image Edit. Ease of use. Both tools are beginner friendly. GLM Image requires writing prompts to generate images, while FireRed focuses on uploading an image and describing the changes you want. Most users will find both platforms relatively easy to learn. Winner here: Tie. Creative flexibility. GLM Image offers greater creative freedom because you can generate entirely new concepts from scratch. FireRed is more focused on improving or transforming images that already exist. Winner here is GLM Image. Number 5, content creation workflow. If your work involves creating brand new graphics, illustrations, or concept art, GLM Image is usually the better option and the better choice. If you frequently edit product photos, social media images, marketing assets, or personal photos, FireRed Image Edit may fit your workflow better. Winner depends on your needs. Which tool should you choose? Choose GLM Image if you need AI generated images from text prompts, if you create artwork, concepts, or marketing visuals from scratch, if you want strong image generation capabilities. Choose FireRed Image Edit if you already have images to work with, if you need fast AI powered editing, if you want simple object removal, background changes, or image enhancements. Final verdict and conclusion. Both tools are useful, but they serve different purposes. GLM Image is the stronger option for creating original AI generated images, while FireRed Image Edit is better for editing and transforming existing images. If image generation is your priority, go with GLM Image. If image editing is your main focus, FireRed Image Edit is likely the better choice. And if your budget allows, using both together can give you a complete AI image creation and editing workflow. And that's all for today's comparison. If you find it helpful and useful, please consider like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.